Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys what's in my makeup bag. So this is my makeup bag. This is also my makeup bag. And this is also my makeup bag. Because I have a lot of stuff, so I've divided these products into 3 different bags. So firstly I'm going to show you my primer, which is this Max Factor Smooth Miracle Primer, which I am obsessed with. I love this primer. And I'm also using Miss Claire sometimes, not really, because this is really good. So if you want to buy like expensive one, then this is the one, and if you want to go for like little cheaper one, then this is the one. Both of them are good, but this is the best. So guys, I just want to share that I am sharing with you guys what all I use. It may or may not suit your skin, so you have to decide it for your own self by experimenting and using it. So I have done a lot of experimenting on my skin, like with the makeup and with the brands, and then I decided, and I keep changing it. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you now my foundation. So this is Maybelline foundation, and also I use is LA Girl foundation. So this is LA Girl Pro Coverage, shade number 644 Natural, and this one is 220 Natural Beige and 115 Ivory. So I kind of use both, but I love this one more, and it's the expensive one. And Maybelline, this one is also really good, the Fit Me foundations. You can use it for the casual regular wear. Then I'm going to show you my eyeshadow palette. So I have a lot of them. So this one is from Swiss Beauty. It's a 36 color eyeshadow palette. As you can see, it has almost all the shades like which you like to use. It has almost all the shades like golden, blue, pink, purple, and they have like different shades of golden as well. They have like browns and nudes and everything. So I love this palette, and I've recently got it, and it's amazing. The pigmentation is also amazing. And the other one that I use is the Maybelline 24K Nudes. It's almost over, as you can see. Then I have this Maybelline the Blushed Nudes. I'll show you. It's beautiful again because it's kind of nude but on a pinkish tone. Then I'm going to show you one more Maybelline palette I have. The nudes. I love nudes when it comes to eyeshadow. So this one is little brown, dark brown, then golden, then grayish, black. I think it's more for smoky eye, and it's beautiful again. And the recent buy that I've got from Maybelline is the blush palette. It's beautiful again because it's blush and highlighter. As you can see, these 3 are the blushes and this one is highlighter, and it's beautiful. So yeah, I have a lot of Maybelline products and I love them. And you can try using different stuff from different brands as well. That's not a problem, and then you can check it for yourself what suits you the best, and Maybelline suits me very well. So again, Maybelline Compact. This is also very nice. I'm just wearing it today. It's a really nice shade. So again, Maybelline highlighter. One more highlighter I have, and this is 2-in-1 contour, and it's over, as you can see, and it's really good. And this is the highlighter. Yeah, so it's handy and quite small. Then I'm going to show you some lipsticks that I have. So this is again Maybelline Mystic Mauve, and it's again, I'm wearing it right now, and it's a beautiful shade. Then I have this Maybelline Nude, Barely Nude lipstick. It's a beautiful shade again in nude. As I told you, I love nudes. Then I have this Miss Claire 31 number shade, and it's beautiful. Again, it's kind of nude, but it's like little, I think creamy, and also it's on reddish tones, but it's nude, so it's beautiful. Then I have this pop of pink of Maybelline. Well, it's almost over because I love this shade. Then I have again this Maybelline New York Sensational Liquid Matte, which is shade number 08, and it's beautiful. Then I have this one is Burberry. So I was traveling to Singapore and I bought this from Mumbai airport, and it's different shade. I don't usually use this kind of shade, but I thought it looked really nice on me. I just bought it. It's Burberry, and I love the packaging as well. It's beautiful. Then this is again Maybelline. It's a kind of wine shade, Pretty Please, but it's nice. I don't usually use wine shades, but I just thought of buying that one. Like kabhi agar mood kiya so you can just use it. Then again, this one I got it from Singapore. This is a nude red shade, which is from Miniso, and they have amazing products in Singapore of Miniso. Now it's even in India, I think. Yeah. So, and then this is Maybelline concealer, shade number 25, and it's almost over. I don't use much of concealer. I'm not even wearing it right now, but I have it since like I think 1.5 years or something, but it's almost over now. Then this is from Sugar. This is a contour. This is for contouring, and it's really good. It's kind of powdery, but really good. Then I have Maybelline mascara, and I have this again Maybelline Colossal mascara. Both of them are really, really good mascaras, and I am wearing it right now, and it's again beautiful. Then I am having this K blue eyeliner. It's bespoke blue, and amazing it is. I've tried it. I just recently bought it. I can't show you the shade. I think that it's beautiful. It's easy to apply, and it's not even like getting spoiled if you are crying maybe, or maybe if there is some water or something on your eyes, or maybe it's raining. It's not gonna come out. At least for me, it did not come out because I loved it. Then is this blush, Maybelline blush that I have. It's almost over, but it's really good. It's kind of natural. It gives you a little bit tint on your cheeks, but it's amazing. Then I have very interesting thing which I got it from Singapore, which is makeup corrector pen. It's from Miniso, and like if you make any mistake, then you can just correct it with this pen, and it's really, really good product to have because you don't want to remove your entire makeup if you make one mistake, and it's very good product. I don't know if you get this in India, but I got this from Singapore, but you can check it out. Then I have this really good eyeshadow pen, which is from Miniso. This I got from India. It's a golden color, and they have like a lot of shades, and it's a glitter eyeshadow. It's really good, and also it's a smudge. It has a smudger, like you can just smudge it once you apply it. It is also again a good product. Then I'm gonna show you like what all I have in other bag, which is eyelashes. I don't use it a lot. I only use it for my shoot, like whenever I'm shooting for any show or something, then I use them, and it's really good. Yeah. Then I have this mini eyeshadow palette from Maybelline again. It's almost over, and it's quite old, but it's almost over. Yeah. Then I have this Maybelline Makeup Lasting Fix. It's after you're done with makeup, you can just spray it, and this is also good product. I just recently got it. Then this is a really nice thing that I have in my makeup bag, which is Unicorn lip scrub, which I got it from Singapore. It's a Lush product. The brand is Lush, and it smells amazing. And it's like a sugar. You just have to apply it here, and you just have to scrub it and then remove it. And the best part is it's edible because it's kind of sugar, but it smells amazing. And Lush products, if you go to Singapore, it's a must buy. It's beautiful. Then I have Lakme Shimmer. This one, it's face shimmer. So you have to apply it. You can apply it on your face. You can apply it on your neck and hands and body. It's beautiful again. And then I have this Garnier BB cream, which I've tried only once, and it's good if you want, like, just want to go here nearby and you just want to kind of, have a quick fix on your face. Then you can just use this and you're good to go. Then I have this pink shimmer, which is like, again, eyeshadow. It's from Wet n Wild, and I just got it. I just found it cute, so I just thought, let me just try it. So I got it online, and it's quite nice if you want like little tint of glitter on your eyes. So yeah. Then I have more lipsticks, which are this. I love the packaging, as you can see. It's from Ulta Beauty, and somebody gifted me this lipsticks from US. They're really, really nice. I love the shades and I love the packaging actually. You can see the packaging is so different and unique. Then this. So I have a lot of lipsticks basically, and I keep changing it according to my parties or maybe my functions or maybe casual date or maybe casual outing or something like that. So keep changing it. So yeah, I almost have shown you everything. Let me see if there's something left to show you. Then I keep using this Maybelline Baby Lips. I use it before the lipstick, and it's really good to give moisture on your lips. Then I use this Maybelline eyeliner, gel eyeliner. It's really good. It's smudge proof. It lasts longer, and it's amazing. Then what else is left? I think it's almost done. Then I'm gonna show you one more thing. So this is Maybelline. It's Garnier Skin Naturals Micellar Water, and I use it every time whenever I have to remove my makeup. ये बहुत ही amazing product है. It's really good for your skin. It does not harm your skin, and it's really, really good. So I use it. So that's all. I have shown you everything that I have in my makeup bag. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.